First try, not dropping anything. Can I get it? Thumbnail. Oh my God. Sneaker unboxing gone wrong. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to a brand new unboxing video. This one is just a quick one. I was just filming some Instagram reels and stuff, so I have everything set up, but I'm just on that boom, boom, boom. Let's get it going. So, couple announcements. I will be live streaming on Whatnot. I moved the day a little bit further, so it's going to be July 6th for my first stream, and I am planning to give away a pair of pine green Air Jordan 4s. If you guys want to stay tuned for that, I will have the link down below to my Whatnot. If you download it with a brand new account, you get $15 credit. So whatever I'm selling on there, 15 bucks goes to your pocket. But yeah, make sure you guys check that out. Other than that, let's get right into this unboxing. Now, I haven't been buying too many shoes, but here and there I do scour the internet, especially eBay, for the steals and deals. So one night I was on eBay looking up the steals and deals, and I came across this pair right here. I've had this pair plenty of times, but it always comes back to the collection. And this time it was for an amazing deal. Right now is a very good time to buy sneakers. The market is amazing. If you guys are just a regular consumer, amazing. Oh my goodness, I opened the wrong one. We're gonna start this one off differently. This was a Christmas, yo, I'm tripping. This was a birthday gift from my homies over at Hibbett. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the birthday gift first, and then we'll get into the eBay, my bad. Let's see what they sent me. Ooh, let's go, baby. I was freaking, oh my goodness. I didn't even know the soles were like that. Okay, yo, I'm hyped. These are the Nike P6000s in this new colorway. I don't even know what color this is. It's like a darkish teal, but it's super nice. Sail midsole. And I gotta tell you guys, man, if you're looking for a comfortable shoe, something that's light, something that you can wear every day, the P6000s are my favorite shoe to wear right now. A little bit more than the Vomeros, okay? I said it. And to be honest, I thought it was the ugliest looking shoe when I first wore it. And then once I got my foot in there and I started like actually enjoying the shoe, I was like, man, this shoe right here is amazing. Shout out to the homies over at Hibbett. I appreciate y'all. It looks like there's some other stuff in the box as well, so let's go ahead and take a look. Ooh, what is this? Pair of shorts? Oh yeah, I am going to enjoy these this summer. Look at that. We got our green pair of Nike shorts here. Beautiful, kinda goes with the shoes. What else do we have here? Ooh, and a Nike t-shirt. What? Oh, that's freaking sick, dude. This is super cool. Oh my God. My birthday's in a couple days, guys. So by the time you see this video, it might be my birthday. My birthday is this Thursday. So if you guys want to show some love, probably have an Instagram post somewhere, go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know, show some love. Once again, shout out to Hibbett. I appreciate the birthday gift. But let's go ahead and get into the eBay purchase. So I got this pair right here for $50. 50? It's claimed to be worn a couple times, so we'll see about that. But hey, for 50 bucks, I'm not even gonna complain. All right, we got a replacement box here. Pre-owned, not the original box. 2020 Air Max 90 infrareds, size 10 for $50. Oh my goodness. Again, I've bought and sold this shoe so many times, but it just ends up back in my collection. And this time, I'm not mad about it. For $50, I think that is a super crazy steal for these. You guys let me know. The condition looks pretty freaking good. It looks like it was worn only a couple times. Insoles are still pretty nice. They're not all disgusting. I'm gonna throw these things on. Hopefully they fit like all the other ones. Cause I did get sent out a pair of the Gore-Tex version of these, which dropped more recently, and those fit terribly. Like you have to go almost a whole size up. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These are nice. I used to wear these all the time and I'd pull so many compliments. It was just a very nice and clean looking shoe, and I'm glad to have it back in the collection. $50, steal deal or nah? Let me know in the comment section down below. Ooh, next up, what is this? It's very light, very light. I don't know what this one is. Let's go ahead and check this one out. For all the Cali homies, I will be going to SneakerCon in LA. I will be vending, and I'll also be going to Vegas. So I'm gonna pull up SneakerCon LA and SneakerCon Vegas in July. So if you guys wanna go ahead and say what's up, take a picture, chop it up, buy some stuff, I will be out there. So make sure you guys say what's good. Oh my God, what is this? Oh, from Hibbett again? No way. No freaking way. They blessed me with another hat. It got a little messed up in transit, but it's okay. I'll show you guys how to fix it. I'll make a reel out of it. How about that? This is sick. Colors go perfect. Thank you guys. For the last two, these were supposed to be giveaways. So I'll try to figure that out. I don't know if I'm gonna do this as a giveaway since the freaking pine greens are very expensive. But I don't know, if I'm feeling good, if I'm selling a lot of stuff or whatnot, I might throw these in there. But I was thinking about you guys when I bought it. But if it fits me and they look cool, I don't know. Might have to snag them. Size 11 Yeezy slides. Caught these on the restock. Let's see, what color is this one? Ooh. Just a simple, easy pair to rock. Very, very comfortable. Let's see how the sizing is. I know they changed it up a little bit. So this is a size 11. I wear a size 10. Let's see. Oh yeah. Size 11 fits like a size 10. Just in case you guys are looking for Yeezy slides, go one size up. Okay, and for the last box right here, we have another pair of Yeezy slides. Size 10. Ooh, I like the color of this pair. I really like these ones. This pair is gonna fit small on me though, I already know. Size 10. Ooh. Size 10 fits. It like barely fits, but it fits. These are fire though. These are clean. Let me know. Let me know if I should give them away on whatnot. We'll see how that budget's looking like. Let me know what you guys think about this quick little unboxing. I've been working a lot behind the scenes, so I hope I could show you guys everything. There's just a lot of stuff going on right now, but thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'm gonna be continuing the Cheap Finds Friday series, so if you guys have places for me to hit up, go ahead and shoot me a DM on Instagram. But other than that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Hope y'all are enjoying your summer. It's almost summer, guys. It'll be summer in a couple days, technically. Get some sun, drink some water, and enjoy yourselves, all right? It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. Have a beautiful day. I'm out. Peace.